Next question is that what is the meaning of race around condition? In which flip-flop does race around condition will occur? Then how to avoid the race around condition, right? So race around condition will occur in the JK flip-flop when the condition J equal to 1, K equal to 1, clock equal to 1. What do you mean by this? When clock equal to 1, J equal to 1, K equal to 1. So if you take here assumption is 0, 1, then here this value will be something 0, this value will be 1. It means that here you will be getting the output 1, then next output will be 0. So now see that if you observe output is connected to the input, right? It means that it will work like something like your for loop or while loop operation. The moment when it is generating the output, automatically it will go to the input. This output will automatically go to the input. It means that again you will be producing the one more output. Again it will be producing one more output. Again it will producing the one more output. Instead of changing only single type, it is changing multiple races are occurring. So this is what we called as the race around condition. See that for JK flip flop, when J equal to K equal to and clock equal to 1, the states of the flip flop keep on toggling. Toggling means changing from 0 to 1, 1 to 0. This process will be occur, keep on changing, right? Due to this one, which leads to, this is important, which leads to uncertainty in determining the output of the flip flop. This problem we called as the race around condition. What do you mean by this is when J equal to 1, when K equal to 1. So during this time interval, so either we need to get the output as 0 or we need to get the output equal to 1. But instead of getting the output 0 or 1, so it will change as the multiple time, right? It will change as the multiple times. This is what we called as the multiple races which is occurring. This is what we called as the race around condition. What do you mean by race around condition? The changing the flip flop value from either 0 to 1 or 1 to 0, keep on changing, which leads to what? Uncertainty in what? In determining the output of the flip flop stage. Either we cannot decide 0 or 1. This uncertainty we called as the race around condition, where it will occur when J equal to 1, K equal to 1, clock equal to 1. In this situation only it will occur. Now how to avoid this race around condition means, the simple answer is by implementing the master slave flip flop. If you implement the master slave flip flop, then we can avoid the race around condition. Definition is pretty simple. So when J equal to 1, K equal to 1, clock equal to 1, the binary number changes 0 to 1 or 1 to 0s continuously, not one times, continuously, which leads to, right, which leads to uncertainty in what? In determining of the output functionality. So then that is called as the race around condition. If this value changes multiple times, this is what we called as the races. How to eliminate the race around condition? By implementing the master slave flip flop.